Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can make our own customized graph paper inside of Canva. So here I've got a 5x7 inch design, but you can create your design to be whatever size you want it to be. To find the lines, select elements. We can now type in a line and select lines. Select see all and we can see all the different types of lines that are available. We're just going to choose a straight thick black line. Then we are going to move that up slightly to the top of our page, and then now we're going to select that and we can duplicate, or we can hit the duplicate button here as well, and then we're just going to position that where we want it to be. And if we keep clicking duplicate now, that will keep duplicating our line to space them all evenly, or you can click Command D and that will also duplicate your lines. So we are just going to fill in our page. So that's the lines going one way. Now to get a vertical line, we are going to select the line again and we are going to rotate that, and here we can see, down here we could see the degrees, so we're just going to keep rotating that to get perfect 90 degrees rotation, and then we're going to stretch that again so it's the full length of the page, and then we're going to position that where we want it to be, and then again we are going to duplicate that, then we're just going to duplicate it so that we fill our whole page. The beauty to this is that you can make the spacing between the lines as small or as large as you want them to be. Now we've done that, we're going to select the whole page, and now we're going to go to stroke style. So now we can have a straight solid line, we can have a dashed line, a smaller dashed line or a dotted line, we can turn on rounded edge points, and we can also reduce the stroke weight. So I'm going to reduce mine to 1. You can obviously increase it as well depending on the type of document you are creating. And now we can also change the color. So if we wanted to have really pale yellow lines, then there we can see our lines now have all been changed to yellow. If once you've done that you're not happy, then simply select all the grid again, go to the stroke color wheel at the top, and you can change the color of the lines again just like that. And also if you wanted to, you can also change the transparency and reduce that as well. This is a really great way of creating your own graph paper inside of Canva to make it customized for what your requirements are. I really hope you found my tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.